Hi, welcome to EOS Central. It's really exciting for me to launch this site because we've been developing EOS for so many years and it's been such an adventure to create what is, in my opinion, the world's most advanced switch operating system. You know, it's really not every day that you get to start building a switch operating system from scratch. Most of the time you join a company, you're starting in some enormous code base where all the important decisions have already been made and the legacy of the past is fully attached to your leg. But with EOS we had a unique opportunity to build a switch operating system from scratch the way we saw fit. And we came to the table with a bunch of experience building network operating systems at other companies, seeing basically every imaginable way to do this, and we had a chance to really improve the state of the art. And it's been a great journey. I think we really made the most of it. EOS is architected taking the lessons of Unix to heart, that each process should do one thing, do that one thing well, so that every process can be independently started and stopped, upgraded, debugged, traced. And you know, when we started doing this, we didn't actually do it for the benefit of the customer. We did it for the benefit of the developer because we wanted it to be more fun to write switch software. And it turned out that using that architecture not only made it much easier to create switch software, because when you're working on your feature, you're not getting interference from bugs in your coworker's code, but it also brought a bunch of customer benefits. Basically better resilience, that when there is a problem in the software, one module can be restarted and the rest of the box just keeps going. And after a bunch of time developing under EOS and finding out that these lessons really were true, that we really could create a more robust architecture here where it really was easier to add new functionality to the software, we realized that we could actually open this up to everybody. And we created the first open switch operating system where anybody can log into the switch with appropriate access permissions, get a root shell, add their own software to the switch, as well as debug and trace our software, and create an environment which is actually much more like a Unix server than it is like a traditional network switch. And the result has been just fantastic, that customers are extending the functionality of our boxes, they're installing third-party tools, they're installing standard Linux software, and basically making switches much more useful. And so I hope you'll have the time to explore EOS Central and to see the kinds of things that a switch can do when it's opened up. Thanks very much.